Hi, I'm Kelley with Inspired Nutrition, and welcome to your program. My intention with this program is to make sure that we focus on three different things. It's going to be your health, it's going to be your personal empowerment, it's also going to be your tool to help teach other people how to eat well, your clients. So I wanted to talk about a few of the structural formats of this program. First of all, we're going to have an online membership, and this membership is going to allow you to connect with community. It's going to track your progress. It's going to be on your phone. So any goals that you have during this time together, they're going to be tracked. So you're always going to be able to come back and utilize those numbers and kind of see your progress. With that in mind, the idea of progress, I want to let you know that I do have a basic structure for this program, but ultimately it's going to be designed around you. It's going to be designed around your needs, and it's going to be customized as we move along. So what'll happen is every week you're going to log on to your membership platform. You're going to have a weekly topic, you're going to have a weekly download, a recipe, and these will just start to get you going. So the first week is just going to be an outline, talking about some big perspective do's and don'ts, some things that you're going to cut out, some things you're going to introduce, some exciting recipes, and some seasonal concepts that you might consider right now. Each week you're going to log on, and when you do, that's going to be tracked. So you're going to get that little boost where you're going to see some rewards as you move along in this program, and you're also going to be able to connect with the other people in the program. Along with that, lots of resources that'll be digital, always available for your download, also meeting in person. So we are going to have demonstrations where you get to come and taste the food. It's going to be local, healthy, nutrient-dense food. We're also going to include things like events such as the Sunday prep days. So there you'll come and meet me in person. We're going to supply the food. We're going to set you up for the week. You're going to be ready to go. So this program is really for you to utilize. It's also for you to customize. I'll be looking forward to your feedback and also to your progress. Thank you. And as always, stay inspired.